Hello everyone, welcome to our website. Our products are made of high-quality materials, subject to strict quality control and innovative design. We focus on good products, professional services, and competitive prices. We have an excellent team to ensure reliable supply and good customer service. We can meet different order requirements, and our products are sold in different countries. If you like our products and want to get more information, please feel free to contact us. Look forward to your consultation and cooperation. We will become your reliable partner.